Alright guys, so we go to the gym, we burn a lot of calories, work really hard with those compound movements, high intensity interval training, and of course we control our calories at the end of the day. It's all to become lean, look good through this 365 days of the year. Now what we need to understand is about what do we eat and when to eat that particular food. So you must be knowing that sweet potato has been very famous for pre and post workout meal. Okay, the reason being is very simple. The glycemic index, it's very low in glycemic index, which means that it does not spike the insulin that much as a normal food does. So that makes it very special. At the same time, along with it, we've got some really good amount of fiber in the food, in the sweet potatoes. So that makes it even better for the digestion system.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome. That's Praveen and I'm Mahek here. And yes, we are making sweet potato fries for you. So I'm sure everybody loves fries, but these are healthy fries and all of y'all can have it.
Definitely. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell button that you get to know whenever we have a new video for you guys coming up.
Let's see the recipe. 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, black pepper, chaat masala, rock salt, mixed herbs, avocado oil. Option, you can go in for olive oil. Sweet potato, mixed herbs, some rock salt, little of chaat masala, avocado oil. So I'm going to put it for 15 to 20 minutes into 185 degrees Celsius. And the sweet potato fries are ready. They are really well done and they're crispy and nice. It's a great snack for mid-time meals or in between meals and highly nutritive. You can combine that with a Greek yogurt dip. So that's a Greek yogurt dip. And below is the link if you want to watch the video for that.
Alright guys, so we look forward for really good source of carbohydrates along with good fiber. What I spoke about earlier about pre and the post workout meal, I would highly recommend sweet potato as a pre and post workout meal to replenish that digestion system that you feel really good after the workout and you get ready for the next workout too.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
See you soon. Thank you.